We're looking at a visionary prototype for a large scale enterprise client. And visionary prototypes can be very powerful because they bring shared language and a shared sense of where we are going as a team. And there are a few specific things that this visionary prototype highlights, which is the project goals of personalization, customization, and integrating an AI chatbot. So let's look at personalization first. And this comes through in a few ways. So if we look at these content blocks here, these sort of news content, you'll notice that we're getting little indicators here saying because your role is an expert or because your home office is in Georgia. We're serving content based on who you are, and being transparent about why you are getting that content is also super helpful for people to have context. Another way that we are bringing forth personalization is through this widget here that shows, hey, here's your home office, here's what the weather is like. But even more importantly than that, here's some actions that you can take: finding parking, finding things on campus, reserving rooms, etc. And then the third way that personalization is coming through is the notifications. So, hey, you got to finish security training today. Your manager has pinned something for you. These are all things that are delivered to you because of who you are in some way, which we're going to compare to customization, which is something that you control. So, one thing that was specific for customization is we wanted to give people a sense of like, hey, here's a navigation that you can control. So on the left side, we have platform navigation. And then on the right side, we have this customized navigation by the user. And at the top, you have this little custom sort of app bar where you can pin your apps and make your own little kind of home app area. And then below that, we just have some bookmarks that you can control. And so it gives users a sense of, hey, I can control this navigation to be what I want it to be, which is really helpful in a platform that some people are using for 8 hours a day. We also worked through some theming just to give a sense of like, hey, this is going to be your platform. You get to have some sense of customization over it. And it just brings forth that like energetic spirit that this platform needed to have. And then we also have some examples of an AI chatbot integration. So specifically, we have it on the right side here showing something that would be present for you as you're navigating the platform. And so it can help you through navigating the platform. And then last but not least, we have some links to other platforms within the ecosystem, not specific to any of the other things that we mentioned: customization, personalization, or AI, but still a helpful thing to share some vision on. So this was a great exercise to help people head in the same direction together, but also start to have some shared language so that we could talk about things as we moved forward.